Oh, I didn't realize.
But Orlando walks a little bit slower.
I just want to put my necklace. Then it goes up
Huh. Uh-huh. I see that. You see that? Yeah. Look at that. All right, now you can walk. Excited.
If I get one,
So close. So close.
There it goes.
Makes I think are crazy.
Let's wait a minute.
Oh, good job! Wow!
I want some. I want something.
Anything specific?
Yeah, we're getting it for you right now.
Whoa, I would like this.
Yeah, like bananas. Remember that bit?
It's like a spot.
Guess what?
Look at him go.
It's already lost him.
Yeah.
I thought for some reason he was
Isn't
going
that
to be
that
right
spinny
there.
room?
What is making that noise? Not gonna lie, the people on that ride look like they're having a time. They look sick after they've bitten off of that thing. I can't do that.
I remember you said you do this for that one. You and Sebastian should do that one.
Stay in, babe.
Look at. He looks a little tense.
That's so
Look
fun.
how tense he looks. Orlando.
I got it. I got it. Come on, let's go, guys.
He's free.
Good dad. Look at that. So there's the little arcade. I don't know what that is actually. And then this is, yeah, this is the beach. Literally. It's midnight though. Not just, is it midnight? Is it like 11?
No, it's almost 10:30.
There's one side. Goes all the way to the other side. Oh, look how pretty the moon looks. You can, it's almost, what is it, half moon? So you can see the water. That's the water, because the moon is so bright, you can actually see it.
There's people out there with like glow in the dark.
Oh, cool! Holy crap, you guys. The camera does not do it justice. Look. That's the water. I'm trying. Oh, wow, look. It's so pretty. That's legit the water. That's the moon shining. That is so pretty.
This way, Amanda.
You want to dip your toes in the water?
Look at that, buddy.
That looks like a canal.
Wow, look at that. It literally looks like a painting.
Yeah, it does.
Isn't that nuts? You can see the stars?
Look up.
Yeah.
You can. All right, we're gonna go out there and sit in a minute. Wow, it looks beautiful. No light.
I don't hear the waves.
You hear the waves?
I want to see the sand.
The sand is so cold. Next time we're gonna have to get glow in. You can actually sort of kind of see out here. It doesn't look like it, but you can kind of see out here because it's like the camera doesn't pick it up, but we can actually see.
We're at here. Can we look for seashells?
Not in the middle of the night.
Probably can, but it's hard to find. You'll probably find some wildlife out here.
Let's go watch this in the water.
Daddy got us. You played us. You played us. Sebastian, you can collect a whole bunch of toys out here.
Yeah, look at that here. Is that a shell? Hold on, let me look.
Wow.
Looks like a shell.
People are just leaving their stuff.
Trying to look. Let's see. I don't see any crabs. Do you see any crabs?
Mom.
There's the water. Yes, sir.
Mommy.
Yeah? Ooh, yeah.
In there.
Yeah, there's a ton of them. Sebastian, get right there and let me see you. Oh, I can't see a thing. Oh, there you go. I see you. Water's gonna get on your shoes. Back up. Come on. 360 view of the whole place. So it's darkness. That's the flashlight, that's the boys. That's the hotels. That's the fair. So cool, huh?
I want to see a biter than on the.
Just swing.
Dad. Or random. Sandy already.
Sandy.
But we found these toys at the beach. But it was nighttime.
Didn't find turtles or anything, but we did find toys. Daddy trolled us. Found a turtle.
Just like, remember the boardwalk? Like, this is boardwalk for Carolina Beach, but there's a boardwalk in Myrtle Beach. Remember that? It has Wonderworks. Remember the place that's upside down?
Like, I think somebody's tired.
But there's also a boardwalk. You never.
Tired.
Daddy,
Sebastian.
You're tired.
I would wither it.
You're tired.
Uh,